Yeah, we can go down.
Yeah, but
So what is Marine Day?
huh?
What is Marine Day?
Marine Day is for people they come, fishing.
Is it like a celebration of the sea?
Yeah, of the sea and he knows he's better than.
This is Marine Day in Mutala. So everyone's back up there, eating food, relaxing. I'm just at the actual, I don't know if this is a cave. It's a bit more into this cave. I think it's living here, to be honest. Let's get out of here. Alright, let's had lunch at Crazy Unga. Hey, everyone's, I feel like that's like a very touristy spot, but it's like a lot of these. Oh, that's cool. Let's have a quick walk down here, have a look. Yeah, here we are, we're at the bottom. Oh, yikes. Be careful, eh? Crocs are not the best for this, the coral. Oh, I got sand on my things already. Here we are. I think some people are fishing down there. Let's look what I caught. That is I've caught bigger. No, it's good. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, we're at Swanson, which is like the main supermarket in Niue. Yeah, I just thought I'd come and have a look at the unga, the massive overgrown thing that I caught. Actually, this thing came alive. But yeah, let's go. So where are we going tonight?
We're going to Waitate. Hunting. Rocks.
Gonna find some unga.
Yeah.
It is 8.
Bait. I'm not really keen because I run away from the unga.
Close this one. Okay. Alright, here we go. We are off to the to the bush.
Ooh, the lights stay like that. Put your head down.
Here we go. Still on with the truck. Walking into a dark creek near John. Just back to the truck.
It's for translated it in it's flowing water.
This is like a roller coaster.
No. Huh? Is it? No. Oh, the door is locked.
Oh, oh, yeah, I know what you mean.
You alright, John?
One bait. Oh. Which one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. One there. Oh.
I'm alright. Got one.
Small one.
The small one is nice.
Well,
Hey, Hey, the small one is nice. I like the small one.
Small one?
Oh, you want it?
You want the small one?
That's a question you're going to keep on asking them. You want it?
Okay, we go back.
No, we can make this one.
Alright, we're going back.
Okay, go back it on.
Oh. There's 3 more baits on. Show you. I want a stick.
John, you want a stick?
I'll try.
Yeah, see?
I'm pretty good.
This one.
Oh,
Yeah. I'm not reliable. Sorry, it's depend on this.
one small one. Oh yeah, definitely not wear Crocs here. Big size? Oh. Good catch.
Only a small one. Only a small one. That's not a small one.
Yeah, that's good.
That's not small, that's big.
Oh yeah.
Get the one with.
Oh. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, there's one right there. This is baby. Oh, did you try walking through this with Crocs? Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Is that small one?
Oh yeah.
Stay there,
It's a bit too small.
stay there, but
Oh, stay here. Okay. Oh yeah. Yep. Here we go. In the bag.
Chuck it in there. Chuck it.
oh, there's a unga.
This hour. Man. These are, yeah, this is very dangerous. What's that?
Okay, today was the only go for the fight. See, he got one, see? He's clever. I didn't bring the ties.
Start with the bakers. That's okay.
There's another tie down there. Oh,
Another one? Oh. Oh, it's hard because I was holding this.
I'll take yours too. You start here. It's only 3 here. And then
And you need to drop.
Oh yeah.
you don't have to come. That's a new bait I baked yesterday.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah.
So I'll take this.
Oh yeah. Go.
Yeah, we stay with this one.
You can take that one, but if you like.
Go out.
Dodgers. Oh no, you can do it. We are done. We're done for the night. Me and John just and the dogs on the way back home. We can't. I'll turn on the light for 1 second. On the road. But yeah. Till the next.